Go.
Hermes, I have important task for you. Take this apple to Rick Jack. The car currently of Ida, you will find a young herdsman, Paris, the son of Raya. Tell him that he's been chosen by Zeus to judge the beauty of the goddesses and to decide once and for all which one is the most beautiful. Apple for. So that's the prize for the winner. That's the best you could do. It's an apple from the table of fruit. Besides, that's the price like the best one of being chosen for the table of the goddesses. As for myself, I have nothing to with it. I love you all equally, and if I had my way, all three would win. But of course, one of you has to be honored above the others, or you will never satisfy. And if I choose one of you, that other two will make my life miserable. This young Phrygian, on the other hand, has no objective eye. He thought there is royal blood. His veins, he is a simple countryman. So, and he won't play any games.
Number 2, the judge. Only people can see the judge as far as I'm concerned. I have nothing tonight. I mean, what folks could be possible is with me because the other must agree to him.
Oh, we're not afraid to measure ourselves against you, even if your lovers, Ares, should be appointed. Paris will do whoever he is.
Listen and peanut that we approve. No, don't. That's alright. You're pretty face. I know it's a delicate subject, but there's no her consent. Very well. Then besides, and remember the losers in this contest mustn't be angry with the judge. I won't have the poor boy punished for his decision. Only one can wear the crown of beauty. Then we're off the Phrygia. Just follow me, ladies, and don't be nervous. I know Paris is a good boy, quiet, that charmer, and a clever judge of beauty. He'll make the right choice. You can count on it.
Through of Paris, I ask for nothing but a pure judge does not know if he has a quite purpose or is he as a bachelor.
Bachelor. That's prettiest thing. Well, there's a wife and she's nice enough, but she really doesn't deserve him. Well, she's a countless beauty. In other words, she's downright ugly. As he only touched her because there was nothing else available, and a young man must have somewhere to sow his seed. Why do you ask?
What's all this whispering about? That's not fair. The rest of us.
It's nothing important. She's only as of if Paris was a bachelor.
That's what you should have said.
It's an innocent enough question. A bachelor? No.
Some reasons. Does he care for military glory or just for his gold?
Well, I don't really know, but he's a young man, so I would assume his dream of distinction on the battlefield.
Seriously, I don't complain when you, ano? Ano ba? Ano ba? Ano ba?
How much bread?
Hindi mo sa pagkain na. 1, 2, 3, go.
Vermouth.
Ano ba? Kaya ba? Kaya Sige, natin na ako gusto.
Over, no, not on the top, down to the side by the cave where you see the herd.
Standard either. Good things that isn't seeing that.
Between the rocks where I'm pointing, look, and the man running around with the staff keeping them together. I think all right, we should descend first. It might be frightened if we swoop down to the suddenly.
On the earth, Aphrodite, why don't you lead the way? I understand you've been here often enough to visit Anchises, or at least that's what I've heard.
Sure, I was mentioning here, Hera.
Enough about my husband philandering.
Sorry, anywhere is our appointed poet. Good morning, Paris. Aren't you a little young to be climbing these dangerous peaks and with a band of women. For this goodbyes are the goddess Hera, Athena, and Aphrodite, and I am Hermes, the messenger extraordinate for mighty Zeus. He has chosen you to judge the beauty of this tree and the price is apple. An apple. I know, but it's a very nice inscription. Perhaps a look. Oh, that is the tree. That is good. That is simpler. But Lord Hermes, how do you expect a goatherd to judge between three such as unparalleled beauties?
Well, at least.
Surely there must be some fine city folk better suited to judge this contest. I can tell you which of two goats is the finer beast, or a judge if the mirrors of two heifers, but in the present company there's beauty all around. I don't know how any man could tear his eyes away from one to look on the other. Wherever my eyes fall, there is beauty. I move then and I watch. Do I find more loveliness? And yet I can focus because I sense equal beauty lurking just this way, or that I am distracted by neighboring charms. If only I were all eyes like Argus, then perhaps I could judge the matter.
The speech is beauty.
So it is. I'm sorry, Paris, but these are suit orders. There's no way out of it. You are that decide the matter. The loser mustn't be angry with me. The pot will be with my eyes only. They are instrument far too crude for deciding such as fine matter. Zeus has already made this clear. There will be no retribution from the losing parties now get to work. Alright, but I'm just to examine them as they are, or should I go into the matter more closely? Well, that's for you to decide, I guess. Do whatever you think best. I will be told. When you say to road. If I'm to judge the entire package, perhaps they should disrobe. Disrobe, you naughty boy. Do you really think?
Calm down, Hermes. The boy is quite right. I approve of your decision, Paris, and will be the first to submit myself to your inspection. You will find that I have more to boast of that large eyes. Every part of me is beautiful.
What else will you also submit?
Athena? Oh, Paris, make sure she takes up the girdle. There's magic in it. She'll be with you and she out to the makeup as well. She has nowhere to come, so trick out and patient.
Oh, you know what, please? You look like a prostitute.
Athena, she should show herself unadorned.
The makeup can stay, but they're right about the girdle. Madam, it must be removed.
Your Athena has to drink after a moment. Now, and mention things the church with that moving church or art. For its true colorless eyes may be expressed as the for middle class. I'm afraid of no such thing. Here's my helmet. Good.
Let's get on with it.
And that's what beauty is, sir. Oh, rapture. Excuse it, this lady's charms, how dazzling the majesty of heaven, true queen, and oh, how sweet, how captivating is Aphrodite's might, and Athena's thought masses. It's too much. I'm overwhelmed. Your combined beauty, I know not where to look. My eyes are drawn always at once. They are splitting apart.
I should view as one of it as a sign.
Yes, we don't want the poor boy's eyes to explode.
Alright then, Aphrodite, you and Athena withdraw with me. Let Hera remain. The words cannot express my satisfaction, madam.
When you have finished your scrutiny, you must decide how you would like your present.
My present.
That's right, be Paris, and I will make you Lord of all Asia.
I will take no present, madam, withdraw, and I shall judge as see fit. You are very beautiful.
You will call me the favorite, Paris. I will make you a great warrior, a conquering hero. I will cast a divine spell so that you will never lose a battle.
I appreciate the offer, Athena, but I am lover, not a fighter. There's peace throughout the land, and my father's rule is contested, what use do I have for fighting? You can put your roof back on your helmet. I think not.
Ryan, thank you for taking your time and spending on everything. Carefully as you like. Let nothing escape your very don't be shy. Put your hand here, there. No sense whether it's you're a handsome boy, Paris. I will had my eye on you for a long time. You must be the forget for yourself and all this. It's just the little box. Helen is a part of it. Such a pretty girl, quiet, a pretty as I am.
As pretty as you.
Oh yes, I'm such a lover of beauty. I'm quiet, certain. If she owns such respect of you, should give up everything to be with you. She should make a mouth, develop fight.
But I'm already married.
So is she, but that's of no importance when marriage exists without love. Such bonds are easily broken.
Tell me about her, this Helen.
Well, she's the daughter of Leda. You know that beauty choose trade in the guest of the time. Sorry.
What is she like?
Helen is the prettiest, has the hair and such a nice spectrum. I love the It's graceful. It's a figure of nature. A preparation she already had and rare over. I will make her your wife.
Won't my love be angry?
Don't worry about the details. Shall this protect you?
I don't want to cause any problem.
No problem at all. I will arrange to have a service on a real vacation. When you get to Sparta, Helen won't be a gold. With your charm.
She really leave her husband and cross the seas with a complete stranger and got hurt.
Fall in love with her. There's still the real matter of drawing its most beautiful of the goddess eternal happiness. All you have to do is hand me the apple.
You sure you won't forget me after I give you the prize?
Yes. I was there.
No, your word is enough.
And for your wife, she shall follow the main price her home is promise.
Take this apple, it's yours. Serena, end of play.